This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis for Monday 16th. As usual, I'll be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame, and will be sharing you the current trend of the market and present support and resistance levels. Please use these levels as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. So when we look at the economic calendar for Monday, we have low impacting news on New Zealand dollar, British pound, JPY related currency pairs, and at 7:30 AM we have medium impacting news on yuan. Again we have lots of low impacting news, and at 2:30 PM we have medium impacting news on euro currency pairs. At 6 PM we have medium impacting news on US dollar. Again at 7:45 PM we have high impacting news on British pound. So we have only one high impacting news and multiple low impacting and medium impacting news coming up for Monday. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we already know that from this level the price action is in a very strong bearish trend. It has also broken these previous support levels and the neck level of the double bottom pattern. It is in a very strong bearish retracement. Previously we knew that it was trading in a bullish trend. It did not break this support line or trend line, so we were hoping for the bullish trend reversal, but currently when we notice a price action, it has clearly broken this support line and it is still going down. Let us analyze what is going to be the next target and whether the bearish trend is still going to continue or not. To understand current trend, these were the bottom of the double bottom pattern. So from here I am going to draw a trend line. So this is where the bullish trend started, and from here it was on a continuous bullish rally in daily time frame. So currently the price action is in a retracement. So next level of support is going to be this trend line or support line. And when we look at the retracement level using the Fibonacci retracement tool, so from here it started its bullish rally and went up to the level of 2071, and currently when we notice a retracement level, it is around the level of 78.60% in Fibonacci retracement level. So we can expect the price action to fall still more and take support on this Fibonacci level and the support line or trend line from the daily time frame. So when we mark the support and resistance levels, these are all the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. So this whole area between 1780 to 1750 is going to be acting as a very strong support level. Once these levels are broken, next level of support is going to be around 1720. So currently the price action is in a downtrend. Let us hope it takes support around this support zone. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we can clearly see that it is still in a very strong bearish trend, and it has been taking support on this trend line or support line. Currently also we are noticing that it has come near to this trend line and it has bounced back on the bullish retracement. Even if the price action goes on the bullish trend reversal, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance level of 1826 or from the resistance line from the daily time frame. I have marked a resistance zone over here. Even if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to bounce back from the second level of resistance line, because in the past we have noticed a price action go little further, then had bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. So all this zone will be acting as a resistance zone. Usually resistance levels are not one single line, it is a whole area of resistance. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. As long as the price action is trading between this resistance and support line, it is still in a very strong bearish trend. The values in green color boxes are the higher time frame support levels and resistance levels. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing one more trend line or resistance line for 30 minutes. The price action has respected this trend line or resistance line, and every time when it touches this resistance line, it has gone on a bearish trend reversal. Here it has broken this resistance line, but you can notice that it has taken resistance at the hourly time frame resistance level and bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. So from this we can understand that higher time frame resistance levels are more valid than the lower time frame resistance levels. But currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame has bounced back from this support line from the hourly time frame. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is still trading within this resistance and support line from the hourly time frame. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a bullish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame also we can clearly notice that it is in a very strong bearish trend. Currently it has taken support near this hourly time frame support line and has bounced back on the bullish trend reversal, but still we have the 30 minutes time frame resistance line over here, and in the past we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. Only when the price action breaks this 30 minutes time frame resistance line and the higher time frame resistance levels, we can expect a bullish trend reversal in 5 minutes time frame. So I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this. Once the price action breaks this support line or trend line, you can take trades on the bearish side. Because overall price action from the higher time frame is also on a bearish trend, so I would not recommend you to take trades against the higher time frame trends. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.